good music, it's good
Yeah.
writing, it's good film.
Yeah.
They should do like a Roman world and a
Yeah. What's
medieval world.
Medieval World? Yeah. Medieval World. That's kind of like
Medieval times.
King Richard's Fair. That'd be cool.
Oh yeah.
They should do a King Richard's Fair movie.
But that's already invented.
Yeah, I know.
They would put bad movies though.
I know. Hi, Quinn.
No.
What are you doing? Are you playing in Belmont Park? Whoa! Did you just throw something in the water pool?
At Belmont Park.
Belmont Park in Warwick, Rhode Island. Rhode Island. There they go. It's the summer of 2015. Oh, we just did a time travel warp. Time warp.
Hoverboard. They were real. They
Going back in
but
time.
mothers keep children from riding them.
What's that?
Hoverboards are real.
Hoverboards are real. They finally got a hold of a few. Whoa, I heard that plop.
The tires.
Plop, plop. Goes the rock.
My poop.
What'd you find, Riley?
Ooh, I found a tire.
A tire.
End of the road.
Well, I know, the end of the road. This would be a good place to bring the boat. Bring a boat.
And we could bring Scout here, and then she would hop on the tire. Oh, no.
Would you like to go in the water?
Yeah, I was no, I don't know.
Yeah.
I was mistaken. You keep going.
Yeah, the road's keeping.
No, watch me get it in that tire.
Okay, go.
This rock right here.
Boink.
I meant I try again there.
Somebody
Watch me.
told me, oh, you're reading those that. Oh, be careful, it's really depressing. Not depressing at all. It's not depressing at all.
On this I want to skip.
Uplifting.
It's like real life. No.
What's so depressing about that?
This is my father.
Do another one.
Again.
Nice.
This is the flattest one.
All right, keep it going. I saw it hop.
No,
Maybe that was a frog.
stupid.